Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Logan the Empress here, and I'm showing you how to make an animated video for your YouTube channel. If you like the intro video, then keep on watching. Alright guys, before we get started, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm using the app PHONTO. It is a free app. Yes, honey, it is giving you cemetery life. So first thing you're going to do is touch that camera button, and it gives you the screen here, and you're going to select plain image, honey. Select any of the first 3 screens that are free, honey. But if you're balling like that, boo, select one of the others and go ahead and pay for it and make it do what it do. Yes, honey, select that color button, and then you're going to touch that box that has the 3 horizontal lines, and you're going to choose a pattern, honey, or leave it white, whatever you like to do, boo. Yes, honey, get as jazzy with it as you want to, boo. Now, touch the custom button and change that ratio to 1920 over 1080. That is your standard YouTube video. I have included the ratio for all of the videos, honey. Your girl's got your back. You're going to press this button I have here circled in red, honey. Every time you want to save an image, when you first start, it'll be at the top, but every image after that is going to be at the bottom, and you have to press this first. Now this screen is going to come up when you press that button, and you're going to press use, and after that you want to go and press save the image. Oh, look, there's an advertisement, honey. That's what comes with a free app, but if you're balling, boo, go ahead and pay for those advertisements to go away. Now down low to the left, honey, those 3 lines again, you're going to touch that. You're going to select add image, boo. And what you want to do is choose 2 pictures, 3, 4, 5, however many you want to choose. I'm going to do 2 because I want to make it extra easy for you to make sure that you delete your video, boo. So if you touch that picture, honey, it'll come up with some boxes, and you want to touch the size box because you want everything to be the same size, both of those pictures, so that your video flows nice and smooth. Yes, honey, make sure it flows as smooth as the lies that the men tell to get some of that income tax money. Now we're getting ready to twerk these 2 pictures. So you're making sure that they're the same size, honey. Now like the left cheek and the right cheek, go ahead and move that picture up in the right cheek. Boom. Save it. And then you're going to move that picture out of the way and twerk the other picture up there, and you're going to make some changes and save it again, and you're going to do this every time you make a change, honey. Now let's add some text. All you got to do is press anywhere in the white space, and it'll come up with a box that says add text. And so I'm typing in my name, Logan, and so I'm looking at this and it doesn't show well. So what I'm going to do is touch that text and go to style, and I'm going to change the color of this text where it shows nice and bold, honey, just to fit my personality. And so with these lines, you want to make sure that everything lines up, and you're going to change the size of the text to fit the screen. And so what I found that works best, if your first line is 90, then you can get quite a bit of text up top, and it looks nice, uniform, and organized. But you can do it however you want to, boo. You can twerk it however you want to, just as long as you make it work. And when you're finished, honey, it is so glamorous and snatch. And I want you to notice how easy it is for me to twerk it, because I have everything that I need, and I just move it down to the white space. And when I put something new up, I make sure that it lines up. And so you'll look and see how I try to make sure that everything lines up with the N and the N in Logan and the word the. And so when you're lining it up, if you touch the text, you can touch the move button. And when you touch the move button, It actually has four arrows that pop up, so you can move it very, very slowly and have the text nice and even to give you something that is very crisp and very clean. And you'll see where I left this in because I messed up because I wasn't making sure that all of the letters were the size 90. So that's why I went back and I changed the whole word to 90. And you see how nice it fits. Now that I have this aligned, I'm going to touch the save button. Remember to save after every single change that you make. Now I'm making this for Instagram. So why go try to find an Instagram icon when you already have one on your phone? So all I do, baby, is I screenshot it to make it easier on myself because I don't have time to be doing other stuff because I got stuff to do. So I screenshot it and I save that image. Then I go into pictures or photos and I edit it more so that it can be a nice, crisp, clean image. And then I'm going to add that to the photo that I already have. And when I add it, I'm going to save it. After I save it, then I'm going to go ahead and add more text. Now I'm going to save that. All right, honey, we're finishing up with the last part, and that's just the putting the meat in. And so I made this for Instagram, but you can make this video for Instagram, YouTube, Cat Daddy, Mac Daddy, Appleseed, Monkey Man, whatever you want to make it for, and make sure that you save every single step. Now I'm going to make a movie using iMovie. You can use whatever app you like, but this is easiest for me. And so you add them in order, and then for each single slide, you're going to put it in Ken's Burns disabled. And also what you're going to do is pinch the slide, because when it first goes onto the screen, it's going to look bigger than it actually is. But if you pinch it, it'll fall right in line, honey. Let it know who is boss. Last step is to add some audio to my video, because the last thing I want is a dry, quiet video. That is not a good look, honey, and I don't want to do that look at all. And so this audio is going to be the exact length of your video. If you press the background, the video or the audio will fall in the line, honey. I'm changing the name of this video to Demo. Now enjoy this video, honey. I hope that you all have enjoyed this tutorial. Please like this video if you find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.